Who's the bird brain?
Hey. Oh, oh, oh.
He's on a straw diet. You're great. Yeah. Oh, you're great. Hey. Oh my goodness. Oh wait. Okay, I didn't mean to. Yeah. I wouldn't go in. Katie. Yeah, I wouldn't go next to that one. That one has the strength to really hurt you.
How do you get it off?
He likes my moles. Whoopsie.
Come on, up.
I'm not going back. I'm not going back. You can't send me back. I'm going home with you.
Back in the bar.
I'm going home with you.
Come on, back in the bar.
No. No. I refuse. Here, scoop them up. Yeah, for a bigger bird, you want your whole arm. There you go.
No, stop. Go back. Go back.
I'm going home with you, sweetheart. It's looking at one of your freckles. Oh, snuggle. Aren't they wonderful? Aren't they sweet? I'm sweetheart.